Looking for a reliable and advanced dash cam in 2025? Introducing the DDPAI Z50 Pro, a premium 4K dash camera built for safety, clarity, and total control on the road. This smart device captures Ultra HD video with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels on the front, and an optional 1080p rear camera gives you full coverage from every angle. Whether you're driving through the city or out on the highway, the Z50 Pro makes sure every detail is captured. What makes it stand out? Start with the NightVIS 2.0 technology, powered by AI ISP image processing. With a wide f1.8 aperture and a 6-layer glass lens, you get incredibly clear footage, even in low light or nighttime conditions. Your night drives and parked hours are now covered with confidence. Need to transfer video? The Z50 Pro features Wi-Fi 6, enabling ultra-fast 13 megabytes per second file transfers. Preview your clips, download full-resolution footage, and share instantly using the DDPAI app, available for iOS and Android. No cables, no delays, just tap and go. For safer driving, the dash cam includes ADAS 2.0, an intelligent driver assistance system. It gives you real-time alerts for forward collisions, lane departures, and more. The features are customizable, so you get assistance tailored to your driving style. Want to capture a moment instantly? Just say, "Take photo." The voice command triggers a 10-second video, 5 seconds before and 5 seconds after. Perfect for scenic drives or unexpected events on the road. Let's talk about GPS. The built-in GPS module tracks your route, speed, and location in real time. It adds useful data overlays to your video, which you can view directly in the app. Whether you're proving your route or sharing your trip, GPS makes every recording smarter. Now, let's look at 24/7 parking protection. The Z50 Pro supports multiple parking modes. In time-lapse mode, it records up to 48 hours of dual-channel footage, capturing front and rear views continuously. It reduces frame rate to save space while keeping your car monitored day and night. In collision detection mode, the cam starts recording automatically after any impact, protecting you with critical evidence. And with IPS power management, it intelligently detects battery voltage to avoid draining your car's power. Note, these features require the hardwire kit, available in specific bundles. Need storage? No problem. The dash cam supports up to 512 gigabytes MicroSD cards, enough for extended trips, high-resolution recording, and uninterrupted time-lapse parking. Just make sure to use a U3-rated card for best performance. Cards sold separately. Once set up, you'll love the fast Bluetooth pairing and stable Wi-Fi connection. After the first use, connecting is seamless, making it easy to view, download, or share videos on the go. Another great touch is SR 2.0 visual effects. These dynamic driving overlays make playback more immersive by showing speed, direction, and real-time driving data right on your video. You can choose between two models: Z50, front-only recording; Z50 Pro, dual-channel front and rear recording. So, if you're looking for a high-tech, easy-to-use, and super sharp dash cam, the DDPAI Z50 Pro is your perfect choice for 2025. Shopping cart available now on AliExpress, link in the description.